Kit is here with me, and we just came from the Gulf of Mexico running with fresh fish. Not really. Hi, my name is Vicky Partridge, and I'm very happy to be helping Team Baugh with this project about making a recipe with fish. So today we're gonna make fish cooked in plantain leaves with a lot of herbs and vegetables. I hope you like it. A little bit of history of this dish. Moctezuma was Tlatoani of the Mexica between 1502 and 1520. His rule ended with the arrival of the Spanish. A very clear example representing the power of the Mexica was the fact that Moctezuma used to eat fresh fish. This taken into account that the coast closest to the emperor was 400 kilometers away. To achieve this feat, Moctezuma had at his disposal a group of elite runners called painani. Moctezuma then positioned a series of painanis from the coast of Veracruz to the city of Tenochtitlan, so that they could deliver the fresh fish as quickly as possible to the emperor's table. Okay, let's talk about the ingredients. Of course, we will need fresh fish. I'm using red snapper, but you can use any kind of fish that you have available in your area. We're gonna need plantain leaves. We're going to need tomatoes, sliced tomatoes, julienne cut zucchini, red onions. We're gonna need carrots and julienne's cuts. We're gonna need butter, garlic, herbs, parsley, basil, and oregano. Kit is smelling the herbs. We're gonna need capers, olives, sweet pepper, or they call it allspice, black pepper. I said the garlic, right? And this is a molcajete. Molcajete is like a mortar that the Aztecs and all the pre-Hispanic natives in America use to smash or process their food. They didn't have food processors like we have with electricity. So they use this molcajete, and it's made out of a volcanic rock. So it's heavy and it's very helpful when you need to smash ingredients by hand. So just a little bit of lime juice, and I think that's it. Let's get to it. After washing our plantain leaves, we're going to make them feel soft and our plantain leaves are soft and flexible, we're going to put the fish in it. Make sure that your fish is clean and dry with a paper towel, then put it in the middle. We're going to need some butter. Then we're going to spread on the fish. Then we're going to add the mixture of the garlic and peppers. You can use your hand, no problem. Then we're going to add some salt. I use smoked salt because that's my favorite. So you can use any salt that you like. Salt and pepper in it with butter. Then what we're gonna do is just to add the herbs, because the plantain leaves is giving the fish already a special flavor, because when they're gonna cook on it, there's gonna give them some flavor. But we're gonna use basil, and we're gonna use oregano, sweet oregano, and we're going to use parsley, just a few. you want to chop it, it's fine. I'll just do it like this because basically it's just for the essence, for the flavor. And then we're gonna use epazote. This is epazote. I'm just gonna use one because this one is kind of strong. Then I'm gonna add the vegetables. The carrots, cut it in julienne cuts. You can add as many as you want, and the zucchini, because you know the zucchini is super healthy. Then we're going to finish up with the tomato slices, and we're going to add capers and olives. And of course, if you like onion, you can add onion. If you don't like it, it's optional. I like it. So here we go. Here we have our fish with all these delicious flavors. If you want, you can add olive oil. It's all to you too. I like the butter, and if you want add more butter, it's always good. But I say you can replace it for olive oil. So this is how we're going to do. This is like a basic, like you're wrapping a gift or you're wrapping a tamal. This is a tamal. And then we're going to fold this in, and then we're gonna fold this other in. And I forgot to tell you that I have these little strings from the banana leaves. They are going to help us to keep these ends in place. So I'm just gonna make the heat inside the pouch. So when we're gonna do it two different ways. We're gonna cook it two different ways. We're going to steam it or we're going to bake.